आ गए तुम लोग हैं? क्या भाई हो, क्या बोलते हो, कैसा चल रहा है सब लोग का? सो गाइस, दिस इज ट्रॉय AK डू बी डॉग्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो गाइस, आज का मैं रिएक्शन जो करने वाला हूँ वो होने वाला है ऑन KGF चैप्टर 2 का ट्रेलर का रिएक्शन, जो मैंने आज तक किया ही नहीं। इतने सारे रिएक्शन वाले आके अपना रिएक्शन दे के चले गए, व्यूज़ बटर के चले गए, लेकिन मैंने आज तक रिएक्शन किया ही नहीं। लेकिन हम करेंगे
That's what she said.
दिस टाइम। सो या गाइस, रॉकी भाई का अगर वीडियो अगर नहीं देखा तो क्या देखा? सो गाइस, लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट मोर टाइम गाइस, दिस इज द बेस्ट आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर। लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट मोर टाइम गाइस, लेट्स गेट टू द वीडियो। अनस्क्रिप्टेड शो है, ऐसा ही करता है। चुत्तागिरी किया तो चले यार, दबा देते। 1 2 3।
History tells us that powerful people
सर हमने टंडन जी है, सही है।
come from powerful places. History
हो
was wrong. Powerful people
पावरफुल पीपल।
make places
व्हाट द हेल?
powerful.
ये इतना बड़ा गन! What the hell? But this is epic. Wow. So yeah guys, KGF chapter 2, Rocky starts back. What did I think about the trailer? Too much in one trailer. Everything in one trailer speaks everything. You know what makes me the most happy? When Bollywood starts making movies like this. You know, when Bollywood makes a movie like KGF and the whole world admires a movie which is made by Bollywood this level, where Hollywood is like thai. This is what I call. First of all, let's speak about the trailer. How from the start से लेकर end तक कैसा लगा? First thing, music of KGF is like wow. It's like great. It's like when you hear it with that resolution is so great, it literally gives you goosebumps in your skin. You know, आपके बाल ऐसे हो जाते हैं. It's that great. And plus the video in this, the gradings, I mean, I think this is called gradings, I think so, like the color of whatever they do is it was like like this kind of era, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. And this is like the color grading was like grayish or something like that. That was insane. I mean, that's something. It's like you're trying to show a story, like how our orchid is been made, how our orchid grows. It's like our orchid grows with that weather, in that weather, and one day it blooms like this. That's how it was in this trailer. What I see, I think this is going to be an epic. And the last, जिस तरीके से उसने वो सिगरेट को जलाया है, fucking alphas live long. Guys, this was epic. You know, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I mean, 2 minutes and 16 seconds का एक वीडियो के अंदर मैं क्या बताऊँ यार, और वो भी एक ऐसा मूवी के बारे में जिसने मतलब लोगों को जान दे दिया. This is great. After Bahubali, I think Bahubali was one-time movie. People were crazy for it. And now KGF. And this is going to be much greater than that. I am not trying to I'm not trying to match with any other movie. I'm just trying to say the aspect of how famous these movies are getting nowadays. You know? And rather than watching some kind of shitty movies in Bollywood, I think this is something, you know. I'm sorry to say, but the South movies are actually, people say South, but it's actually considerable as Bollywood only. Or you can just say a movie, okay? But this movies is represented in other countries like Indian movie, okay? Not for us, it's like Tollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, and whatever. But for others in other countries, it is like Indian movie or Bollywood. So these movies are like trying to save, like, you know, trying to save the Bollywood thing. Like people watch, like still अभी लोगों को लगता है कि भाई Indian movies are the greatest because these movies are doing the best. The directors are doing the best to you know, to give the best product to the people, you know, to provide towards the people. And then there are some shitty directors in the Bollywood industry who make such shitty kind of movies, and you know, like it's always starts and ends with vulgarity and nudity, and people in India love that kind of thing. And I don't need to say any, I don't want to criticize, I don't want to say also what the movies are, what they are trying to, you know, copy the Hollywood guys, and but they are like, they think everything is all on nudity and 18 plus, और these guys are OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जाके ये लोग डाल रहे हैं. मुझे फ़र्क नहीं करता, कमेंट में मुझे कुछ भी बोलो, तुम लोग को मज़ा आता देखने को ये सब. बट what about these movies? Now these are called movies where a director puts his heart and soul, and they are trying to save the industry of the, you know, film industry of Indian film industry with giving by giving this kind of films, epic films. And then these shitty directors with the shitty actors with shitty acting give shitty roles and shit everywhere. Tutty. That is very painful. But I still think that Indian film industry is one of the best because we have great actors, we have great directors, we have talented people who are still, you know, fighting. And that's what we gotta do. And we gotta, you know, we can't judge a movie just by it, you know. So we gotta, you know, watch it and then give a comment, and that's what it is. And I'm sorry guys if anyone feels bad about whatever I said. I don't mind, but you can just कमेंट में जाके कुछ भी कर दो यार, गाली भी दो चलेगा, बट ये हार्श रियलिटी है. और बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री खतरे में है, these people are saving it. So I'm just going to say one thing. If you like today's video, make sure give it a like, subscribe the channel guys, and do hit the bell icon, and do share the video, and the link of the videos will be in the description. You can go and check it out. Please do check the description completely. There are many more things. You can go and follow me on Instagram, and yeah guys, that's it for today. And I'm just going to say one thing is keep supporting the Indian film industry, because there are many good actors, there are many good directors who are giving good products towards the people. You can say product, okay, of film. So yeah guys, and proud to be an Indian. Stay safe, stay healthy, and do not trouble your parents. That's it guys, peace.